Hi everyone, this is Angie from AZ Mom of Many Hats blog and Mom of Many Hats radio. During the course of my studies, I became fascinated with how technology, how social media, how texting, how all of the technological things that are in our lives help us understand who we are. In essence, they help us form our identity. I'm looking for some feedback from those who use technology, who use social media, who use blogging and vlogging to find information and to communicate with people. I'm looking for some feedback on whether knowing more about this topic would be beneficial. Would knowing more about how technology affects our sense of identity, would that be helpful in your personal life? Might it be helpful in your business or professional life to help you understand customers and understand how your interactions online might help them understand who they are? I would love to hear your feedback on this. You can leave comments below this video. You can reach me through Twitter or Chime In or YouTube, leaving comments below the video. You can also reach me through my blog, azmomofmanyhats.blogspot.com, or through my radio show site, momofmanyhatsradio.com. Just go to the contact buttons on either of those sites and you can send me a message with any questions or comments that you might have. I would love to hear your feedback and love to hear how this topic would affect you. Thank you so much for your participation and so much for your feedback. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and knowing what the vibe is about this topic. Have a fantastic day, and I'm looking forward to hearing your responses.